Welcome back to my humble channel, to which I hope you are subscribed. If not, that can be fixed easily. In this video, I'll be showing you how I built this simple wheel cleaning stand using rolling pins. So here's what you need. 3 rolling pins, some scrap wood, material, whatever you want to use. I'm using a spotlight mount for some of my base, some saddle pipe clamps and some screws, a couple L brackets, maybe a tape measure and pencil for precision, and some form of drilling device. So, the rolling pin is a pretty obvious choice, but there are 3 actual reasons why I decided to go for one. Number 1, these are pretty cheap and easy to find regardless of where you are. And if you're using the IKEA one like I am, you're gonna have the exact same standardized measurements because this is the same model they use internationally. Second reason is these are really durable. These are designed obviously to have someone rolling them across a hard surface, pressing down a lot of body weight on them. So between 2, they should be able to hold up a wheel pretty easily. They are easy to replace as well if you have to. Bonus with these is it comes with a nice plastic wrap that is sealed around the entire rolling pin surface, which I'm going to keep on just to protect it a little better when it gets wet or paint or something on it. Third reason is they're a really good size for this application. I want to be able to put a range of wheels on these, probably from like a 15-inch off maybe a Civic or something up to maybe a 22 from a Range Rover. And this gives us plenty of space to work with because it's about 30 inches long. Or at least I thought it was when I was measuring it up at IKEA. It's more like 10 inches, which is fine. I'm gonna build it on a slight angle just so the wheel doesn't fall forward. The reason I'm using that license plate bracket will make sense in a second. It's just a handy, useful thing I had laying around. It looks nice, it's gonna be pretty durable, and the finish is cool. It's pretty simple. Get stuck into it. Well, there it is. Cheap, easy, works really well. Got it done in about 2 hours, and that's including filming time. So this is a nice little half-day project for you guys. Because I had a few bits and pieces laying around, like the light bar mount, the screws, the scrap wood, this did only cost me $30. If you haven't got anything to start with, maybe budget yourself 40 or 50. It's pretty inexpensive though, and a lot cheaper than the ones you can go out and buy for a few $100s. It works well, even tilted back on an incline, it's pretty stable. I'm happy with it. If you've built one of these yourself or you're thinking about it and you have some other ideas for materials or techniques or way to put together, drop them in the comments. I'll leave it there for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.